Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Rise, Sleep Tracker and Energy app, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Rise is a sleep and energy management app designed to help users improve their daily performance by understanding and aligning with their body's natural rhythm. Unlike traditional sleep trackers that focus only on sleep duration, Rise analyzes your circadian rhythm to help you plan your day around your natural energy peaks and dips. It's available on both iOS and Android and works by tracking your phone usage, motion data, and sleep patterns to provide personalized insights and recommendations. The app's main feature is its energy schedule, which shows when you'll feel most alert or drowsy throughout the day based on your sleep debt and biological clock. It also helps users identify the ideal time for focused work, exercise, and relaxation. Rise doesn't require any manual logging, everything runs automatically in the background. Additionally, it provides tools to reduce sleep debt, improve bedtime consistency, and develop healthier sleep habits over time. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Rise for its accuracy, clean design, and scientifically backed sleep insights. The app effectively helps users identify what's draining their energy and suggests small daily actions to feel more rested. Its reminders, energy forecasts, and intuitive visuals make it easy to integrate sleep science into daily routines. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version has limited access to data and insights, while the premium version requires a paid subscription for full functionality. Some users report that the sleep tracking can be slightly off if phone movement data isn't consistent. Additionally, the app depends on consistent phone usage and may not be as accurate for those using external sleep trackers or smartwatches. In summary, the Rise app may be worth using if you want to understand your sleep cycles, manage fatigue better, and plan your day around your natural energy levels. However, if you prefer a traditional sleep tracker with smartwatch integration or don't want to pay for premium features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.